Hi, welcome to my channel and you're watching Do It Yourself. If you like my program, click subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications for all my future videos. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make cute little flower patchwork using felt material. You can get this material in almost all the craft shops, so you can attach this patchwork in your kids' t-shirts and frocks and all that. This will be really cute and colorful. Let's start with the tutorial now. For making this flower patch, we need to cut the material into perfect square. So I am now cutting this material with size of 5 cm. You can cut the squares in any size as you wish. Now we are making the base petal for our flower. So we have to fold the square such that it is shown in the video in the shape of cone. We need to cut a semicircle shape at the top of cone such that it looks like a petal. Just try to make the cuts perfect without having any extra felt materials, so you will get a flower shape. So once you have completed the semicircle shape for the petal, you can unfold the patch now, the felt material. Now we have to make a similar kind of petal with a size lesser than the petal which we have created before. So we have to cut the cone now such that the radius of the petal is lesser than the petal which we created before. So now we have made two petals, the base one and the top one. Just cut down any extras or you can make it as a perfect shaped flower. Now we are going to create the third petal, which is the topmost one. It should be really smaller than the other two which we created before. Now cut a round shaped dark color felt to keep it as a center part of the flower. So we are going to stitch all the 4 felt materials which we cutted before to a single patch flower. Just try to stitch as shown in the video because this stitch is strong and it will not cause any breakage during the machine wash. So now we are almost done with the patch. Our flower is ready. I'm going to make 3 such flowers for attaching it in my kid's dress. Just make a tight knot at the end to complete the patch. And your flower patch is ready. So as I said, I have created 3 different patches of same kind. Now we are going to see how to attach these patches with the dress. So I'm doing a basic stitch to attach this flower patch with the dress material. This is very easy. Hardly 4 to 5 stitches is far enough to attach this flower to the dress material. You can try out and share your comments in the comment section. Cute flower patchwork is ready. If you like this craft, do like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.